my dear student. Welcome to Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. Myself Ina Patel going to teach you 7th grade mathematics. Already we had started with an exponents and powers. Today we will have some examples that find the products and in the exponential form. In the last session I had given you one example to solve it. Hope so you have done it. Today we will see some more examples regarding it. So, the number is 768. We have to write in a exponential form. First we have to find out the prime factorization. You know how to find the prime factors? Yes. So, we will start with the prime factors of this 786. It is an even number. So, it is divisible by 2. So, we will write as 2, 2, 3 are 6. So, 7 minus 6 is 1 left. So, it is 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. Suppose it is a large number, you can do a practically division with 2. 2 3s are 6, 1 will be left, get 6 down, 16, 2 8s are 16 will be 0, get 8 down, so 2 4s are 8. What you will get the question, the same number you have to write because it gives the remainder as a 0. So, it is perfectly divisible by 2. Similarly, here also it will be we can divide by 2 because we are having a even number in the ones place. So, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 left, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again it will go, we can divide it by 2. So, it is perfectly divisible by 2 and giving a remainder as 0. So, 2 9s are 18. So, 1 will be left, 2 6s are 12. If you are finding it difficulty, again you can do here in this way. Answer will be same, 2 9s are 18, 1 2 12, 2 6s are 12. So, if I am doing directly, so if you are getting confused, you can do the simple division and you can find out. Here again it is even number in the ones place. So, again it will be divisible by 2 with giving a remainder as 0. So, 2 4s are 8, 1 will be left. So, here it is 16, 2 8s are 16. Here will be again we are having even number. So, it will be divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now, we had to find out all the factors. So, we will write the factorization in the exponential form. So, we will write down all the factors of the given number, that is 768, and we have to write in exponential form. So, what will be the factors of this? 768 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times 2, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, and we are having a 3. Again we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times 2 and 3. So, what will be the exponential form? It is 2 to the power of 8 into 3. This is the answer. Here it is 1. If you write 1, it is okay. If you write 3 as it is, it is okay. So, this we got in the exponential form. Hope so, my dear student, you know very well how to find out the prime factors. So, it will be more easy to solve it and write in a exponential form. Now, we will have some simplification which is very easy, and you know the laws of exponents. Using these laws, we have to find out when the bases are same, the powers are added. So, here we can see the two bases are same, it is 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 2, that is we can say it is 2 cube and the 2 square multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 5. So, now the two bases are same, that is 2 into 2 square and 2 cube. So, we can write as a common base and the powers can be added. So, here we can add the powers, that is 3 plus 2, because here the base are same and this is 5 raised to the power of 5. So, we write as it is. Now, you know the addition of 3 plus 2 is 5, here is 5 raised to the power of 5. Here you can find here that the powers are same. So, we can go for an common power taking a base as 2 into 5 bracket close common power, that is written as raised to the power of 5. So, this you know we had learned the laws of exponential. So, this will be 2 raised to power of 5 and 5 raised to the power of 5. So, you can do here 2 5s are 10 and this is power of 5. So, it is 10 raised to the power of 5. So, in this way by using the laws of exponential we can find out the simplification by finding its product. Here we are having one more example, that is 6 square into 6 raised to the 4 divided by 6 raised to the power of 3. So, here you can solve this because already it is given in the bracket. So, we have to solve this first. So, what will be this multiplication? You know it is nothing but just we have to add the power. So, it is 2 plus 4 is 6. So, 6 raised to the power of 6, here is division. So, we write as in the denominator is equal to, here you can find out this, the 6 is a common. So, we write as a 6 raised to the power of 6, because it is in denominator we have to subtract. So, we write as minus 3 is equal to 6 raised to 3. So, we had tried to find out, we have using two laws of exponential, we have to find out in the simple form, that is nothing but simplify or simplification. Here we are having power to the power. So, you know 2 square raised to the power of 3 into 3 raised to the power of 6. First it is given as square bracket, in that we are having round bracket. So, we have to solve first round bracket. So, what will be the solving of this is 2 square raised to the power of 3 is nothing but just when it is power to power we multiply it, that is 3 2s are 6. So, it is written as 2 raised to the 6 into 3 to the power of 6. Here now you can find something that here the powers are same, that is exponent are same, here bases are different, you can write it is common here, that is 2 into 3 bracket close raised to the power of 6 into 5 raised to 6. Now, you can do the multiplication of this. 2 into 3 is 6. Yes, here you can see the power 6 and 6 are same, but what we are doing? We will take all this common because the power of this both the products are same. So, multiplication are same. So, we are writing as 2 into 3 into 5 whole bracket raised to the power of 6. So, here also we had applied two different laws and we have tried to find out in the simple form. Now, we will see one more example, that 12 raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 3 upon multiplied by 4 upon 6 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 27. It is very easy. Do not get it confused, just we have to write in a expanded form. How you will write 12? You can write 4 3s are 12. How we can write 4? 4 is nothing but 2 square. So, we had written this first. 12 is written in the expanded form as a 2 square into 3 raised to the power of 4. multiplied by, how we can write 9, 9 we can write as 3 square raised to the power of 3, the 4 can be written as 2 square. Nothing we had done, just we had written in the expanded form. Here again we will see here 6 raised to the power of 3. We do not have any square of 6, we can write as the 2 into 3, that is 6 raised to the power of 3 into, how we can write as 2 square? 2 square is nothing but 2 cube, that is 3 time multiplication of 2, 3 time it is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 raised to the power of 2, and 27 you know very well it is nothing but 3 cube. So, now if you get this, now it is more easy to solve it. Now, I told it is when it is a common, that is product here, and it is a common power, it will be belong to 2 square, that is 2 square to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4 into what will be here, again same it is power to power. So, we can write as multiplied, you can write directly also, you can multiply here 3 raised to the power of 2 into 3 into 2 square upon, again here 2 cube and 3 cube, again you can see here multiplication, it is power to the power. So, it is multiplied and 3 cube we can write. Now, here what will be here? Multiplication it will be, you can write directly, it is 2 to the power 2 4s are 8. So, we will write here 8, then we will write as it is 3, here we can write 3 to the power of 6 and 2 to the power of 2. Now, in the denominator same it is 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 3, and here we will write it is 2 3s are 6 into 3 cube. Now, you can find the common basis, you can take it here, here it is 2 raised to the power of 8, you can find here 2, that is in the numerator. So, it will be added. So, we can solve first numerator, here of 2 here, 8 plus 2 and 3 to the power, here we are having common base, here we are having in the numerator as 4 plus 6 upon, in the denominator is 2, common here bases are common. So, we will solve this 3 plus 6 and here we will see 3 bases are common, the powers are added. So, 3 plus 3. Now, you know 2 to the power of 10 into 3 to the power of 10 and 2 to the power of 9 into 3 to the power of 6. Now, again you can see here the both the base are same. So, it is 10 minus 9 and here we can write is a 3 to raise to the power of 10 minus 6. So, what will be here? 10 minus 9 is 1. So, it is 2 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 4. Now, if you write 1 it is okay, if you do not write it is okay. Now, it is nothing but 2 into what is the 3 to the power of 4 is 81. After multiplication or by getting this multiplied, we get the product as 162. This all the steps you know very well, just you have to write this in the simplified form. Now, I had told it step by step we have to go, so you will not get any mistake. Now, one more example we are having here as power to the power, you know now we have to get the product of it, again 7 raised to power 3, again where is the 7 in the denominator, so it should be a subtracted, 8 cube can be written as 2 cube raised to the power of 3. So, you know now power to the power, we have to go for the product, it is 2 raised to 9. So, now you will find some bases common, so it is 2 raised to the power of 10 minus 9 into 7 square. So, 2 to the power of 10 minus 9 is 1. So, you can write as 2 into 7 square. What is 7 square is 49. So, you multiply 2 into 49 is then 98. Now, till now we were having a numeral. Now, we will see one example with a variable where we are having as a t. Same procedure we have to follow. Here if you are finding here common numeral, you have to, taking the base same, you have to do the addition or the subtractions of a product. Here also we are having the common variables that we have to do the subtraction or the addition of. Here we are having in the denominator, so it is subtracted. So, we will do the subtraction, that is 8 minus 4, and here you know the what is the square of 25 is 5 square is 25, 5 square is again. So, we will write as a common basis. So, powers will be added. So, it will be 4. Here after solving this t, we will get as t raised to power 4. Here we know that how to write a 10 cube is nothing but 5 into 2. 5 into 2 means 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 and the common power is 3. So, we had just written in expanded format is 5 cube and 2 cube. Now, you will find out the bases are same. So, in the numerator we will add and the denominator we will subtract. So, after solving we will get as a 5 into t raised to power of 4 upon 2 raised to power of 3. Now, you can write as 5t raised to the power of 4. We are not putting here bracket because it is not belong to the 5, it is only to the t to the power of 4. Here you know what is the 2 cube is nothing but 8. So, you can write at the last step as 5t raised to the power of 4 upon 8. So, by using this all the laws, it is very easy to simplify. First you have to write in a simple expanded form when we are not having in exponential format. Now, we will see some decimal number system. You know number system when you are a small class, that is 2nd, 3rd standard, you have written how to write in a expanded form. Yes, just we will have a recall of this. You know this, how to write an expanded form of this, which is given of a 5-digit number. Yes, that is, you know this ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So, you write as 4 into 10,000, 7 into 1000, 5 into 100 and 6 into 10 and plus 1. This is very easy because you had learned in the lower classes. So, you can write it. If we write in this format, can we write this in the exponential form? Yes, you are right. We can write in exponential form. Here it is 10,000. So, number of zeros will be nothing but the number of powers. So, here we had written in the 4 into 10 raised to power of 4 plus 7 into 10 raised to power of 3 plus 5 into 10 raised to power of 2 plus 6 into 10. You can write 10 or you can write 10 raised to power of 1 plus 1 into 10 raised to power of 0. You know what is the 10 raised to power of 0 is always 1. So, this we have written in exponential format, and let us expand in another number which is of a 6-digit number. Same way here we have to do the exponential form, that is we have to write in a exponential form of this decimal this number in the, now we will write in a decimal system. Now, express the large number in the standard form. Now, we had written in the expanded form, here we have to write in a standard form, which is for your, in this chapter we have to learn as 59 is written as 5.9 into 10 is equal to 5.9 into 10 raised to power of 1. You know 59 upon 10 means what? It is nothing but 5.9 into 10 means what? If you multiply by 10, the decimal will jump one step ahead. So, it will be 59. So, after multiplying this 5.9 into 10 is equal to nothing but 5.9 into 10 raised to power of 1. We write as 10 is nothing but 10 raised to power of 1. Similarly, if it is 590, we can write as 5.9 into 100, means after the decimal there are 2 digits. So, we are multiplying with 100 and that will be 5.9 into 10 raised to power of 2. Same number I had taken as 5,900, same 5.9 I am putting a decimal here after the 5, that is 5.9 into 1, 2 and 3 digits. So, I am multiplying it by 1000. So, I can write as 5.9 into 10 raised to power of 3, or we can say 10 cube. So on, we can just putting a decimal point after the decimal number of digits, you have to multiply that number with a 10,000, 1000, and you have to write in a exponential form of 10 raised to the power of 3, 4, whatever it is, so on. Now, I am having some example with me, write in a standard form. So, if it is given as 5985.3. Now, this I have to write in an exponential form. So, what I told now, that is we have to give a decimal point after the one digit, that is 5.9853. We have to, this decimal will jump there. So, we have to write as 5.9 into 1000 into 1000 is equal to 10 cube. How? Because after the decimal, when it will jump here, after the decimal there are 3 digits. So, we multiply it by 1000. Similar example we are having of a 5 digit number. Now, it will be 6.5950 into how many? You have to 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have to multiply it by 10,000. So, it will 10 raised to power of 4. Some digits, some numbers are with a decimal and some numbers are without decimal, but we have to write a decimal point and we have to write in exponential format in the standard form. So, we can write here, we are having a large number which is given an international system. Here we will write as a 3.43. Here we are having number of zeros. So, multiplied by it by this, we after decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, we will multiply it by 1 lakh was 1 million, and we will write in the power of 10 raised to 6. I had taken a different types of examples. So, you can write in a standard form of this, it is 70 point commas, again it is given in the international form 70 million, billion it is, then 40 million which is given in the international system. By putting the decimal point 7.0, you can count the number of digits and you have to multiply here and we have to write in the power form. I think so, my dear student, you have to understood that just we have to introduce one decimal and we have to write in a standard form. Here write the following numbers in an expanded form, which is again very simple, which I had explained you. I have to write in a expanded form in nothing but in a power form. This we have to write in 10 raised to the power, write the multiplication of 3 multiplied by number of digits you have to count, and first you will write in a simple form, then you will write in a power form. So, this you know very well, already I had explained you. Now, find the number from each of the following expanded form. Here we are having one example, it is 8 into 10 raised to power of 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to power of 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to power of 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to power of 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to power of 0. If it is given in the expanded form, we have to write in a number form. So, this you can write in our simple expanded format in this way without writing in a exponential form. So, 8 into 10 raised to power of 3 means it is 10,000. So, it is 8 into 10,000 is 80,000 plus 6,000. You do not have anything here. So, it is 0 multiplied by any number is 0 plus 4 into 10 raised to power of 1 means is nothing but only a 10. So, it is a 40 plus if you do not have power 10 raised to power of 0 is nothing but it is 1. So, it is 5 into 1 is 5. So, now this you can write in an number form which is given in the expanded form, you can write in a standard form. So, you should not write in a exponential form, just it convert into an expanded form and write in this simple format as expanded form, and this you know this expanded form, just after writing in the expanded form you can write the in a standard form. Now, express the following numbers in a standard form. Now, it is given very simple number as the number is there 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, so it is nothing but as a 5 crore, it is nothing but 5 raised to 10 raised to power 7. Here what we will write 3.1865. Now, we are having 0, so you will multiply and you will count the number of digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, we will write as 10 raised to the power of 9. Already we had seen some example. Now, we are having here decimal. So, what we will do, this decimal will be shift here, so it is 3.90878. We will write the number here into 10 raised to power of 4, because after decimal there is 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are giving the decimal point, we have to not consider we are giving it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it is written as 10 raised to the power of 4. So, in this way we can write in a standard form. Now, express the number appearing in the following statements as a standard form. The distance between the earth and a moon is this, given as 384.00000 meter. So, now this it is given in the meter, we have to write in a standard form the statement is here is 384,000,000 meter is given to us, we have to write in standard format. You know now by giving the decimal point or by putting the decimal point as 3.84, now you know we are having the 0. So, we will multiply, if we are having a number we will write that number. So, we will multiply and we will write 10 raised to the power of 8. How it is we will see here, after giving a decimal point 3.84. So, number of digits here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, after the decimal we are having 8 digits. So, we will multiply it by 10 raised to the power of 8 meter. Now, speed of light in vacuum is given here in a international system meter per second, meter per second. So, we can write this speed in of meter per second. Yes, we can write in a 3 into 10 raised to the power of 8 meter per second. How it is? Because here we are having directly it is multiplied by zeros. So, we are having 0. So, we can write in the power of 10. So, number of digits here is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 6 and this 2 is 8. So, we write as 10 raised to the power of 8. Now, the diameter of earth is 1.1, 27, 56, it is 0, 0, 0, it is given nothing but 1 crore 27 lakh 56,000 is given in the meter. Now, how to write this? Because we are having a number, so you know how to write it as 1.2, we will write 1.2. Here we do not have decimal, but we have to write in decimal, then only we can write in exponential form. Here it is some printing mistake, typing mistake is here. So, here it is 1.2756, then this after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is only a 7. Here it is meter is given that, so we write as meter, it is only 10 raised to the power of 7. So, in this way we can write in a exponential form and which will be more easy to read out. The diameter of the sun is given as in the meter. So, we can't read if it is a number is large if we write in a decimal form and the exponential form, it will be more easy to read out as well as to convert. So, diameter of a sun is given as 1, it is given in the international system 1 billion 4 million. So, we will write as 1.4 into 10 raised to the power of 9, because after putting the decimal point 1.4, we have number of digits here are 9. So, we write as 10 raised to the power of 9 meter. Hope so, my dear student. We had written in the exponential form of a given large number and the standard form by putting a decimal point and written in the exponential format. So, it is more easy to read out the number as well as if there is a conversion of a number, or we can find out easily. So, please go through the textbook. There are various different types of examples are there. You can find it and you can solve it. Thank you very much.